If you're looking for a functional, compact SUV with reliability and safety for your whole family, then take a look at this 2020 Jeep Renegade Limited in Alpine White. With halogen headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 63,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen, SELEC-TERRAIN system, split folding rear seats, 1.3-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7348.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory-backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.